Whoa. Look at that, guys. This time it probably a fail.
Hi, it's me, Mariah. Hi, my name is Mariah Serenity Touches. And I'll tell you how to spell Serenity. Serenity.
Guys, what's my flashlight? Oh, it's right here. Alright. Hey guys, what's up, Mimi gang? So today, I'm by myself right now. So I am. Oh wait, let me put my flashlight here. Okay, that's much better. So look at this, guys. So I'm gonna be doing the glow in the dark. Look at this, guys. And guys, my mom, my dad, my brother are at the movies. So my mom and dad said I need a babysitter, guys. Just a babysitter. And I said back, no, guys, I am 6.5. I'm old enough. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. I'm about to be 7. But I don't need a babysitter, right, guys? Comment down below, let me know. Do I need a babysitter? No, I don't need a babysitter at all. So my parents trusted me to let no one be in the house, be on my best behavior, not do something bad. So yeah, look at this, guys. It's going to the dark slime, and I have some leftover activator from my other slime, those 2 slimes that turned out bad. So guys, I'm gonna be making some glow in the dark slime. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn off my light because I'm gonna show you how it glows. Okay guys, 1, 2, 3. Now look at this slime. Look at this slime, guys. Look at this. It actually glows in the dark. Oh my god. It looks like a peach color. Oh, and I have another slime. It's green. It's literally glowing in the dark. Here's my other one. It is green. Oh my goodness, guys. This is freaking me out right now. It is so dark. So, yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm going to make this slime first. And when I'm done, I'm going to see if it glows in the dark. But I have a little bit of activator left. So, I'm going to go get the liquid starts if that's not enough. Alright? So, I'm so scared. So, I have my mixing spoon. Of course, you need my mixing spoon. Your glue, your glow-in-the-dark glue, or any kind of glue, and your activator or your liquid starch, whichever product you want. You can put water in your slime, whatever you want. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Guys, it is literally glowing in the dark. I wonder if like it's all gone and then like does the bottle look like it's going? This is really freaking me out right now. Okay. Is that it? Blobs of glitter. Okay, I'm gonna mix. Pour in the liquid starch as well. See what that does. See what that does. Does that make it a little sticky? Whoa. See what that does. I'm gonna keep mixing, then I'm gonna get the liquid starch if I need it. The slime is really quick, guys. This is so scary. Very nice. Not so thirsty. Oh, what was that noise? Oh, phew, this is my hand. Alright, I'm gonna get it out. I need it. I think this has. Oh, this one has more glue in there. It's up there. I hope no one comes home. Ugh. Look at this. Ew. This is totally a fail. Who needs liquid starch? Oh my god. This is. Guys, look at this slime. Oh, guys. Whoa, look at that, guys. This time it probably a fail. This is the nastiest slime I ever had. Alright guys, let's see if this thing glows in the dark, right guys? Oh my god, guys. It is literally glowing. It is so sticky. Oh my goodness, it's sticky and it's literally glowing. Alright guys, let me turn back on the light, alright? There we go. Slime is back to normal. Ugh. So, There, let's grab that out. Oh, there we go. You were slime explode. Alright, this is really, guys, look at this, really. Who would make slime like this? So like sticky.